On-page SEO is the process of optimizing web pages and their content for users and search engines. No checklist of on-page SEO for your website in 2024. First is in the list, keyword research. Keyword research is the most important part of SEO. Use keywords tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, etc. to get relevant, long-tail keywords and of low competition and later use them for your website optimization. Next is title tag. The title tag is the page title that appears in the SERP. It should tell Google what your page is about. Include keywords in your tilde tag. Your title must be relevant to your niche or topic on which you are going to write your content. Next is H1 tag. Each page must have H1 tag. The H1 tag should be similar to the title tag, as it's also there to tell Google and users what the page is about. H1 tags are HTML heading tags that help search engines to understand the content of a page and are an important part of SEO. Next is meta description. Include your primary keywords in your meta description. Meta description tells search engine and user what the website is about. It's part of this on-page optimization checklist because it's key to standing out on the SERP and attracting more clicks. Fifth in the list is URL slug. Website have web pages and different web pages have different contents and different web URLs, so each web page URLs must contain those primary keywords on which you have written your content on that page. Next in the list is target keywords. Your content must contain those target keywords on which you want your article to be published. There must be at least 1 to 2% of keyword stuffing. If your content is of 100 words, then at least 2 times your target keywords must be there. Next in the on-page SEO checklist is content quality. Content is king. Your content must be of good quality and must be original, relevant, easy to read and understand, and valuable to readers. Writing contents of at least 700 words can bring originality. Next in the checklist is header and subheading tags. Content Marketing Report 2023 found that 29% of high-performance articles use H2, H3, and H4 tags. That's because subheadings break up text and make it easier for users to scan your content. And the appropriate H tags, header tags, help Google understand the structure of your page. You should only have one H1 header. Before we move forward, just a note on how on-page SEO can help us. On-page SEO can help you find keywords and content ideas, increase traffic and CTR, get more leads and sales, improve crawl rate, get higher search engine rankings, improve user experience. Next in the checklist of on-page SEO is internal links, anchor text links. Internal links are hyperlinks that connect one page on a website to another page on the same website. They are important for SEO because they help search engines like Google to understand the structure of a website and rank content in search results. Notice how these internal links are attached to descriptive anchor text, not generic text like click here. This helps Google and users to understand what the linked page is about. Next in the on-page SEO checklist is alt text and images. Articles with at least 2 images tend to get more unique page views, shares, and backlinks. Add descriptive alt text to each image. Alt text is a written image description that appears in the page's code. Next is structured data or schema markup. Schema markup or structured data is a coding language that tells Google more about the different types of data on your site. Google also uses these pieces of code to create rich results or rich snippets. Google does have a structured data markup helper that helps you add schema to your page. Next in the on-page SEO checklist is Webmaster Tools, using sitemap for your page to appear in search results. Google's web crawlers must first add it to the Google index. Use Google Search Console to get your website be indexed by Google bots. Submit a sitemap there too. Next is mobile friendliness. Make sure your web pages are mobile friendly. Your website must be viewable and usable on every search browsers and each type of mobile. Use Google's mobile friendly test to find out if your page delivers a good user experience on mobile. Next in the checklist of on-page SEO 2024 is HTML validation. HTML validation is the process of checking your web pages for errors and compliance with the standards of the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. It can help you improve the quality, performance, and accessibility of your website, as well as your search engine optimization, SEO, ranking. Next is Robots.txt file. A robots.txt file is a text file that tells search engine crawlers which pages or files a website can access. It's used to control how search engines crawl a website, which can help with SEO. Next is outbound link or higher authority external link. External links, also known as outbound links, are hyperlinks that point to a different domain than the one the link is on. They can help search engines and users understand a website's topic and niche, and provide additional value and resources.